Yamokwaba yamwache do Badwam TV Badwam Jumade iso. The edu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne etodwa wo mu bi a wo betini National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat. Womo ene enku ahodo bi aka won ho aboma river ankobra no so womo aboawram ekohwe de ekoso no ne nsem bi na no pay ye de browse Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 na kwa adomonline.com ensemi ni nsembebre ewo ho medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bientie se de nsem ni chemu ankasa etie National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat on any Western Regional Security Council, Western Naval Command, and Zama East Blue Water Guards. And then one more abody a room and cobra shown so kwa ye operation e was so. Nesweni so catcher and Miahood will be a warm call yeno any.
Operation a call soon Blue Water Guards any 9 more stars for. Eka wonu bom efan so nanu ne ho ana womo eyi omanfo a womo etu egudie ewo kwan bone so ewo ankobra ensuo no enchen anamo a womo etu yei womo eje omanfo yi enfidie a womo ede yesa galamse yi bi enfidie a womo eje ye no ebi ene champagne moto titafo ebi pumping machines solar panel bonframa ye standing fan ibi TV ana gas cylinders Nshishye ya na womo ahihye ediegu eye river nanu no womo asai ni nina.
About time be empemenim enene wonu mani abrese krodomo ehwese school placement no wonu mo ebegboramu na wommanso anya babie akọ suku na no mu no ahye hwe humasua so se wonko akomanto wonyem na sede etie bia no bia issue bia hawo no ombehwe asia no.
As we speak as at this moment, the system is up and running, and it's very effective and efficient. Because of the anxieties and the traffic, we actually anticipated, because people were actually waiting to find results of their placement. We saw that there was actually so much traffic on the system. As at the time of the release, the technical team, together with my team, worked throughout the night to stabilize the system, and the system is up and running. People have checked their placements. Some had earlier checked and they had a status of pending placements. Those ones have been resolved and resolved very well.
We nam so madum kase bwana kopi mu e National Resolution Center wono mu ebi edema omanfo be wo ahawa hodu nyina yekoye no awofu bi ekoto wono mu ne wotwetwe nkoma wono mu kire se mo ha wode ba nyina empanyifo ahwe asa no e de ama wono mu
oba ha uni time bia no as on be ka se print ya kola ne resource o print ya o de kwa no ma check your system ni mama to almost check your system school awunya ya no ma catch your straight away ya check ya almost you have no placement at this time it's not a worrying since dawn ya try and akolani so say when ya ni grace and I own school then it makes me do so when into me say no me emra e ha no na ya check e bedu ya for ya 2 minutes for ya
Akuafo ya wamu agogo Asante Achim North Mensimu na wosre aban no sankabeya baby a womu abo homodin wokuamu akono de womu hia tomato processing factory wo ho sebeye betumi akenya na aboama tomatoes dwadie wo ho no akwanim
the aban kan de emwaye to for ni kire se ye pese akaban ni beto ni ye nsam fankoma school for no se wo koton kuafo ni nsam straight ya no aduane aboye yenya adwuma nye nti ye sira ni se on o beto ni ye to for ni nsam no fankoma school for no san ye sira no ayelu ayagigi ayedi adwuma nyina anye sa ye sika behye ti se obi ani na adwuma ye so adwuma ye ya se oma omupa ya hanum se ya to for ya ntoma omu dia eye ba omu ko kuafo straight Emanu yaso aye tokon ye to na biafo nsem ton yaso ye nya dwuma ye ya no aduane bebo nti aban ni best ani say ye ya ko chebo no na ya to ni biafo nsem no na omo abeto wo ye ho ama omo abeto wo ye ho akoma school eno bebo ama ye nyina ya kuma ye juma di it is secondary school for no san on betimi ato ye kuma ye don't to san no betimi afama ye nti ya de betimi aboa ye nti ke ye hia kan say factory no ene ne nim ti atia ni factory ni baba be fa ene na be boa ye
school for no on be kwa on betimi aba ya to bia ko my card ya factory no a be boa ye papa.
Yantoso na Design and Technology Institute ene Mastercard Foundation na fe National Development Planning Commission aka won ho aboma eye 5th National Precision Quality Conference akoso enkran.
We're working in partnership with the Mastercard Foundation, and more importantly, we're also doing a lot of work with the Ministry of Employment, Labour and Jobs, and then the Youth Ministry as well. So I think this is, for me, in the right direction, that government really recognizes that this is a conversation that they cannot drive alone. And so it really excites me that I think all the work that we've been doing in the last few years really has come to bear. For us, private sector doesn't just talk, we actually just do things. And so the next steps from here will be the follow through to make sure that we continue to deepen the work that we do, but this time round bringing everybody on board.
We ena oswafo nehwe enyuma ni pade won nsem o mayimu Dr. Abdul Rashid Hassan Pelpo enso nkasa yimu no wode nsem sei etudwa.
More and more technology is changing. The work elements are beginning to redefine themselves. And so it's important that we create the needed human resource that can respond to the demands of work today. DTI is giving us a clear picture of the kinds of young people we need, the kind of training we need to give them. And so we are very excited about it.
Pia manyokuo no mu pani a nani da kwan se wo betu franka ama wo mo ya betifi wo mra hye bedwani ora Bryan Acheampong na wo se mampani John Dramani Mahama memuedi environment no wase no kra de ntimo kasa no eni
galamse ene obi a kan wasa because ene ukukumase se wo kasa wo pedi nsuo ato a se be se wan to brudo a e nto nsuo ma. That is where we have gotten to. Company I will me pensio ato. E dia survey guests are ever had na watch. Company said the insula ato a dose to in German ton my head. And it is going to get worse if something is not being done about it. But the aspirations of the people, they say, MPP abai and combating aso and preoccupy. NDC for almost so good gun or moon or the bench parliament, who help to yes, a baby, nearby a bay, or mobile is worse. Also, what for gold every 1.5 billion, they are called 5 billion. Gold, no go 2 way.
And what you were to us, send any swadi so per se, obey man penny or my gun and mono, or beshe, more baby, you mamma, mobranya biaye, or man for home buying, was Sia dying so ama in Puntunuma atwaso.
The first one is going to be on infrastructure. The second one is going to be on security, and that is in 2 parts. The first one is safety, territorial safety, and the second one is public safety. All these internal strifes that we're having in the country, you will not have that when I am president. I know how to deal with them.
Mensi Krache ya wono wobo di mensi mu ye Stephen Bedu na wobo MPP abandada na na dodan kwa akufo ado di animu no esobo semfie nwotwe o mbetena so nyina no won anye bibia ama bodifo emu nsem ni
if you say we previous government in the term na project bi omdo omsakan e bia di omtimi complete here, especially uba mitman district here project bi ni omtimi wie entino ensemble now program we are by and lati yen ama ye hunyema bia ni so a from here no I will say you can rectify.
Coordinating director Aononso Ewo Elembele Alhassan Muhammad answered in same say tuja.
We have a lot of potentials, and the vision of the district is to maximize these potentials. When it comes to natural resources, we have gold, we have cocoa, we have oil, and so on. So these are some of the resources that we have that we want to harness on them to make sure that we are able to use it to develop the people. The mandate of the district, as far as coordinating director is concerned, is to better the lives of the people. And this is what we are focusing.
Akachino DC, Nekpando DC, Womusu Dinsemse Etuja.
My district is a highly poor district. And so there is a need to turn things around, to urbanize it. So by so doing, I am talking about job creation for the youth, because most of the youth in the district are unemployed. So there is a need to generate job for the youth.
Dwamtnani Edema Accident Victim Support Foundation, a Reverend Cyril Benedict Crab, or say National Road Safety Authority in Penifo. Amamre Bokwan Sokosa who da road woman mupa na nkwanhia no ayedin. Breakfast meeting na won any clergy and sorry asofo no mohia e na wodin semi etuja.
Akwanhia no avoidable. Take it from me, avoidable. E betumi asia no pa. Nemum se mrano mugu na nipa fi se akwanhia o ma akwanhia sia ne ho bekoson obekọ akonanti free dia ene de bia ne bekoson aye se entumi panishi nipa e ma ne hu ne se akwanhia ye oyeyi waku nipa enti e ma ne nante ho e be serve as a deterrent ama wo mo ayo ma adwene se ho be kan de wo mo pe enti anka ye de se anka National Road Safety Authority wo mo se mu gudodo National Road Safety Authority wo mo nyo mo adwene se wo mpese wo ma akwanhia ne ba fom na anka ye adwene a ka ye hia imra ano be yedene yete so obi akun obi a yate se nipa no yache no no yade na hyefi ase.
Kane Director, Emma Securities and Exchange Commission, Reverend Daniel Ogbami Tete, enso di tujase hu behia paasa ahyemkafo ehyen ya womu twie no. Baby etochima womu hwe na womu emia ni funu. Akwan ya wodo so a contractors yeso adwuma no. Womu hwe nsiesie na akwanhia emra fom.
We need to put in place a system where we are regularly maintaining our roads and doing it promptly. And you say be a BBC and San now be I think it's about everybody being responsible.
Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na no pay ye DSC. Ya da so mre no wadaje a wode ma ye de do so no sports. Any online. Any de won krata no. Kwasinsia Boateng Eric Akwesibo di asiedu ene afia amankwa tamaklu ere twaso was me mo akwa be
afia mejoso
e bia boko de
nyame ti ase
de nyame ase
kaka na otwe no so kwa kogu anesa
agua no na afia
da yes and we are going to have one of the longest holidays yeah tijuada holiday tijuada holiday yene bebe adwuma any holiday bia
just asemu
eji o ba bia ye bebe
jira mu den
yes o man adwuma na ne hian
sa
so man tumpa o man bapa
sa
eti adadwada manfo da fie edwedwu omo ho no
no mo hweye
no na yeso ejida hanom e serve omo and they fed breakfast in bed
asemu aso da hona otwetwini mu nyame adom sene de won se bibia voice no bibia ye kama ya me adom ti de meka che obia ne se kwasi nsu enwunu de eja anom enyina ye ntra ne enom warm water nom ne ade ebeboa ye mpa warm water akwasi buadi say was starting e de no onom warm water wonnom kura abenom because de ye wo video mu no anya obi na beka e wo so wonom warm water na clear system no a system let me ade no ho e bibia ye kama ti yema akwasi buadi so akwa abai akwasi mo akwa abai
meje so na akwasi we dey facha me o
adai
efia minim se o se anya no credit but
anya no credit jakan
akwasi o se aso o se parent bi na manfo bi ye no Black Stars qualify for World Cup. Like say we call to Group E.
Oh, Jai.
Na Ghana, Spain, England, Argentina.
Oh,
na see
oh, say young boy you cry the fact that you cry na here now.
No say coefficients no. They CD some of the countries. The countries now about boss no. Bed tin so mu nyina be call group ba.
The same group here.
Ti ana modern boni say CD bi ni a check ya no mo so.
Okay.
Ti a telephone. Me sure.
Ti check so na. But ade ya wo kan no kwasi we say they say was holiday.
Yeah.
Our can breakfast in bed.
Okay.
Hey, kwasi breakfast in bed. Okay. Now no papa, ta no papa dey fine. Ya bo banku soft.
Ada oso.
Etwimako. 1,000 guha. Sausage kakra guha.
Be shit nim.
What's that?
Koshia ya che da fa me boa.
Ai.
Banku breakfast in bed.
So o say e mu anu asem kakra.
Banku no so nya de ya soft na ne pepper no.
Oh yeah. Banku de banchi mori akumpa.
Hot. Na wo pepper no so ye level.
Awurade.
Say e kan pepper, nya pepper biara ne pepper. E no ma tomatoes ne no so. Say e beti su. Chini mako na ni je ne na de garlic ne ginger na wo.
Yi afua wi
na biane. Tilapia no ho emamia. And my little pa.
But city where I can no. Why you in area no? Nobody no so share. But see,
no so share na san already.
Oh, when you be shema. Every am be use me. And no na ma na ye no. Oh.
You know ebe fa.
Sa.
Ebe fa na.
They are free.
Mwada Roma. If you are boys and guests. Why you must ade ne be mu ntimumu. I am here for years.
Yeah.
Last week I made testimony. Topic ben ye mo mfanye camera o mu gina kire de bia so mo nte hwe ye wie ya akra bu so mo nte
topic
I know ma
oh topic de be sana no o mo ba massage nkrofo show ni so
enye massage me say topic last week ye de wo de jai wo de ye me musa mo question me kan si asem so
okay
say na ye fiada and then so nkwahia wo ho 8 p.m.
okay
na bosumi we no world ana heart month
okay
ye boy akoma no eho ban ti enne ye kasa fa akoma ho
okay
na nura na me hu post bi se kolebu just 6 months no heart related cases are on recorded 2,800 so wow
broken heart kan ho
broken heart nka ho and the opa na unya because I know
you feel debut when you so pay
debi me ya bebe no so ba me de ba health no a
mu kan no ka ho de ya
akwasi eno na me catch akwasi square mu gina he any other members ayi first of all so ya akwasi ene na akwasi 4 minute ye ba wo ye de ya na efiada nti efia no ko fi ye edu kwasi ada no ma be gina so ma ye mude no ti de me ka de asiso ne say your lifestyle kwasi be 2 months or so de me ka kwasi nsia na okọ yi bi mu kakra oba na ne so ba ansesa
ne ho ya shikin kakra
ene oba ye behwe no yese no yese oh mama ye ntwe ma bibi nsia nsa madaro ma ye lifestyle no ye hwe hu
ye biti sesen
o like wadi die mu ye ni di yie ye ni di yie ye nyansa nom enkyere ne do so
to once a while cry na
jai ye kana ajeje hu we bia ni o
e bo se jai but e mu ase
jai ba wo nsa de no wo ye de ya wakoka ahwe utumi ma ni nya ya
okay
but se so kura ba form
yeah
ni ye check ye BP kwasi BP na ekuye yo BP no ye nimo
the non-communicable diseases
e ka ho and diabetes medofo ye check say ye wabusua ne ehu se bia akoma ya re no wo mu a ye ya ye be no ye ebra no ye check ade pa tumi de akoma ya re ne ba no ye BP no
yeah
obi wa won check but unam ho free hwinsi adabes obwa akwa check ye
na owu anu
220
Uze fi ade ba ko ha kofo se ebi ma de ato motim se wani ehu a
enya time
ejo no ko kra nkɔhwɛ ne aka so
na ne yema akɔhye no
ene wa ehu na onim se ne onam ba bia ani ba no so na e more dangerous say e de be count no anhwa no anya nko
enu tina me se BP multimedia de nyame enu ye mpedifo mtimi so anu masori brano sa BP say live from 30 but you also answer ni team no maba no be check here wa wo multimedia won check o de na wo menim
wa na peso
sa check it
cause no na twa
status enku o edro wo ho
ebo ma wakasa kwa control ebo direct lifestyle no so onim say obi bia akosora ne ma bi wo ha wonye onim say sugar akosora ne ma bi wo ha wonye
nti se wonim de a na wodigum na mon kan kire mu nua mo mema no BP edro no enkum we na enu no wo mo na hodo nti bia akwasi square mo fa we no adwojo niema no nche se no ano no
niema dwojo ye o niema dwojo yi
enu na ekum no
niema dwojo no
ko doctor no ho back ka se we no no miese mi se na ye
e ma me sorry
hadwen
sa dan se wo be jai kura sa
okay
na so wo jai kura
ko to be honest message na ko say BP edro kum e
be ma be bridge mo
sa message nti wo he wo ka kura wonte nti wo de be hye no ho a na enu mo maku but any kwan se ku I know ho nti se mudi a chere de ahwe nkwa hie na na ebe no ha ntina me chere se na fie ya sha se me tete ho amo because minim yen college wo mu gina so wo mu tie obi ho no na adwen ko so se nkwa hie na de aba Fridays 8 p.m. nti en na ye di heart no ho nkomo e ma no mo yentie 8 p.m.
wow
nti we de ono abo akwasi se odaro ma JP so we ma kwan ya mre no kwa akra yenye mu ma sports ye ba na me no so de ahihye so ara see
medase masom live and of course I feel that thank God it's Friday